These are not AirPods Pro, they definitely look like, but these are Honor's Choice True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. You also see a Huwaei brand name somewhere in there. The earbuds themselves are nothing short of great, and that's before I talk about this price. They are priced at $40, which is like 150 dirhams and 2,900 Indian currency. Now for this price, they are easily a great bargain. But what's more easy is to click on the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up to see more tech videos in the future. So let's begin. Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. First, let's glance over the specs. The TWS earbuds comes in a small package with the buds, the case, a USB type A to C cable, and 2 additional sets of ear tips. A charging case that uses USB type C port. Thanks to its 500 mAh battery capacity, it provides 18 hours of music playback. Each individual bud has 55 mAh battery built in, which should provide up to 6 hours of listening and up to 4 hours of call time. I feel this is the strongest feature of this earbuds. Now let's talk about its design. It's not hard to see where Honor got the design from. They are very similar to Apple's AirPods Pro, which means they are in-ear rather than open-ear. In-ear buds allows better bass delivery and isolate more of outside noise than the open-ear design. As per Honor, they are comfortable to wear for long periods of time, but this is quite subjective. Features, battery life and sound quality. In terms of connectivity, they are quite seamless. Also, just like other earbuds, they also comes with tap function. Tap twice to play and pause. Tap and hold to reject incoming calls. Tap and hold to skip to next song. There are 2 microphones on each bud, which allows for noise cancelling during calls. The call quality is quite decent except for occasional muffled sound, but overall they are quite loud and offer a great bass. Also, the noise cancellation is decent. In fact, they are neck and neck with Apple's AirPods 2 in terms of loudness. Battery life is also an impressive 6 hours and has a strong signal, a bit over 15-meter distance, thanks to the inclusion of Bluetooth 5.0. As I said in the beginning of the video, the price you are getting these earbuds for doesn't give any excuse but to like them. Apart from its fitting in the ear, which is not so perfect, I quite liked everything about them as they exceeded my expectations. If we don't compare them to some high-end earbuds, they are class on its own. Built and sound quality is quite impressive, and with a good battery life, they are a great bargain for just $40. If you want a TWS earbuds and don't want to spend a lot for Apple or Samsung Galaxy Buds, these will do the job. They are true value for money. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked my review. If you liked the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.